Hello everyone, this is Blake with Blake's Builds, and today you're here for two things. You're here to learn how to change the fluid on your differential, but whether you knew it or not, you are also here to stay, because this video is one of many in my series, restoring this 1988 Ford Bronco II. Under 10% of the people who watch my videos stick around, so if you found this video helpful, you will also love starting this Bronco restoration series. All videos in description. I'm just gonna drain it and refill it up with new fluid because I have a feeling there's water in here. Alright. Well, the fluid didn't actually look too bad. But again, water does float at the top, so we'll see if water comes out. So I'm gonna take it down, and we're gonna clean out the inside with just some brake cleaner. $4 brake cleaner. It's great. Try to hold your breath when you do this too. Apply some gasket maker. I got ultra black gasket maker. It's oil resistant, that's what you want. And I'm going to apply the bead around this notch here, because when we press it onto the actual differential, it'll squeeze down and go in both directions, or at least that's what I'm hoping. So start here. Alright, one continuous bead is what you want, just like that. I'm going to spray it one more time with brake cleaner and just press the gasket on. I'm hoping I can kind of stop that drip for a second so I can put the pan on before it starts dripping again, but we'll see. It goes on like this. Alright, now we're going to put all the bolts in. I'm not going to tighten it all the way, I'm going to hand tighten very, very softly until I get like a little medium tightness, and then I'm going to wait for about an hour to tighten it up with torque specs. Alright, now I will come back in an hour about. Alright, I got good news and no bad news. It's been about an hour. I'm going to tighten those up. I cannot find any torque specs online for this, and I don't have a manual, obviously. So I'm going to tighten these with the ratchet until they're just snug. It should be fine. Alright. Supposed to wait 24 hours. I'm gonna wait probably 18, 19 hours. Should be fine. Here is the drain bolt. Alright, so I hit it with a hammer and it loosened up pretty well. So there we go. And quite a little plug right there. I wonder, looks like it's got metal on there, so I'm going to clean that and we can pour in our. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep squirting in the fluid until it seeps out, and then we know we can put our plug in. Alright, she spilled out a little bit, and that's how you know she's full. It only took 2 of these guys. I put 80W90 gear oil in it. Only took 2 of these guys to squeeze in there, and now we can tighten that up, spray this down, clean it, spray that down, clean it, and we'll be good. This top is gonna need a really deep clean. I haven't figured out what I'm gonna use yet, but you can see there's mold and stuff growing on it. It's really nasty. I should be able to clean this up pretty well. It looks like the paint's still intact. I don't know what these little pits are. I'm hoping I can wash all this off. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out, so we'll have to see. I really hope that doesn't stay, because that's a big turn off for the truck if it stays this dirty. Highly doubt it though. I think we'll be good.